još jedno nogometno svjetsko prvenstvo pred nama. I opet ide naravno s vama Patrola do gola, a otkud krećemo? Iz LA-a. Krenut ćemo naravno odavde sa Hollywood bulevara. Walk of Fame se zove ova cijela staza, više od 2800 zvijezda do sad je zabilježenih. Patrola do gola. To su za nas ostavili.
Yeah, I'm from England, bro. So I know about.
You're from England?
Yeah, I'm from England.
So,
Is that Croatia?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's Croatia. Yeah.
be real.
What? If you guys are gonna win the World Cup?
Yeah.
Nah.
Bring it back home. No.
I think it'll be France. I want England to win, but I think it'll be France. France will win.
Say Croatia.
Kad se grad zove El Pueblo de Nuestra Señora la Reina de Los Angeles del Rio de Porciúncula, jasno je da se radi o posebnoj i velikoj metropoli. No kako Amerikanci obožavaju skraćenice, uspjeli su više od 1200 kvadratnih kilometara i skoro 20 milijuna ljudi ugurati u samo 2 slova – LA. Srce hrvatske zajednice u Los Angelesu skoro 100 godina je crkva Svetog Antuna, koja osim duhovnog ima i veliku ulogu u životu kao mjesto druženja, raznih proslava i vrlo emotivnih zajedničkih praćenja nastupa hrvatske reprezentacije.
It's the heart of the Croatian community. Without this place, the culture would dissipate. So it's really important and really great that we have a place like this where we could come together, watch the World Cup games, celebrate together, weddings, parties, concerts. This is really a special place for all Croatians in Los Angeles.
Evo, znamo da sport spaja ljude. Nogomet, pogotovo Hrvati to znaju. Ali evo, Amerika je nova još uvijek u nogometu.
Of being a fan of nogomet is a 2006 World Cup. That was the first one I was old enough to remember and watch. And, I have heartache from the 2008 Euros still, But the highs are very high, like the 2018 World Cup, the 22 World Cup. And the lows, it makes you love Croatia even more. For the 2018 World Cup, we had over 1,000 people in our hall for the final. It was remarkable. It was on the global broadcast. That was a truly amazing, one of a lifetime experience. But then you still have, some of that pain, that we lost the game. I cried. I cried that day. I'll admit it. But that's just how, I wasn't the only one, and that's just how passionate Croatians are. Yeah, everyone knows about Croatia now. When I was growing up and no one knew what Croatia was, I would just have to say, oh, it's some country over there, but that's, really special, but you wouldn't get it. But now everyone knows about Croatia because of our success in the World Cup. 2018 definitely put a spotlight on, but it goes beyond just that. I think people are seeing Croatia for everything else that it has to offer as the world's best tourist destination, in my opinion. Things like Game of Thrones has really put a spotlight on it as well. So people recognize the checkers, definitely, but they also see it as something more than just nogomet.
Prvi nastup i veliku pobjedu reprezentaciji Sjedinjenih Američkih Država navijači su pratili u fan zoni, ali i po lokalima uz obalu, gdje se u stanovnike grada okupio i veliki broj turista iz raznih zemalja.
Are you happy?
Yes, yeah, go USA!
You are soccer fan before this World Cup game?
Yeah,
awesome.
yeah.
Are you happy with satisfied with game?
Yes, great game. Great game. Best game in U.S. history so far. Best World Cup game.
Who's the best in say?
Who's the best player?
Say Pulisic.
Pulisic, yes.
Yeah.
Pulisic, of course. Yeah, great game by him. Yes, hopefully he's okay. We'll hurt, but he'll be okay.
And will be semi-final, quarter-final.
Yes,
final.
we're going to beat England.
Oh yeah.
Where are you from?
Ti ćemo naletiti naravno nego na navijači se ovaj put navijaš za Ameriku ipak.
Za Ameriku, a najviše za Hrvatsku.
Kako se zovu dvije mlade dame?
Martina i Olivia.
Livija, živite tu.
Živimo ovdje u Los Angeles.
Evo znaš sama kako je u Hrvatskoj malo ipak sve to nabrijanije veće, ali evo i ovdje nije loše.
Nije loše, a nije Split.
Ali evo kako Amerikanci doživljavaju, sad su prošli, kako doživljavaju inače nogo?
Uopće ovo novo ovdje u Ameriku, a šta više i više raste sport.
Zanimanje za nogomet je u stalnom porastu, pogotovo dolaska velikih zvijezda poput Beckhama, Ibrahimovića, Kina, ali i bejzbol i košarka tu i dalje dominiraju. Evo, odlazimo iz LA-a, pomješani emocija, pomješani dojmova, neke stvari koje smo očekivali možda nismo doživjeli, ali neke koje nismo vidjeli smo. Fan zona je bila puna ovdje na Santa Moniki, mi smo gledali na Venice Beachu gdje je bilo onako dobro. Amerika je počela živjeti nogomet ima svoju budućnost u Americi, sigurno pogotovo nakon ova velika 3 boda, još jedan bod s Australijom ili s nekim. Amerika ide dalje, Bosna odigrala jedan prenosi i jedan veliki bod, mi svoju sreću još moramo potražiti, ali bitno je za promociju nogometa. LA živi nogomet, lijepi pozdrav iz LA-a, mi krećemo dalje. Naravno, odlazimo s ove lokacije koje svako bajkeru srce zaigra.